Oh, hear that sound of that?
Yeah.
Yes.
I'm here at Made in Mykonos for 1821, and the owner Maggie is going to show us how to make one of the most iconic Greek recipes, Spanakopita.
So he's putting in the olive oil.
Yep.
Now we're going to add in some garlic. We make our own paste. We'll start with sauteing the onions. Once that's done, we'll add in the leeks.
Yeah, the leek's a bit
Yeah.
sweet, isn't it? Like
Yeah.
very mildly.
Mild, yeah. But it just makes such a difference. So we got the dill and mint.
They're quite distinctive herbs too. Yeah.
So they got, I mean, in a lot of Greek cooking, we do use a lot of dill in our cooking, yeah.
That smells beautiful.
So that's a lemon zest, okay, and then we're going to put in the spinach. Obviously, this is going to let out a bit of juice.
Sure, so that will reduce very quickly.
Reduce, yeah.
So this is a relatively quick dish then.
But you've got to make sure you get all the juice out. And we're adding in the cheese to the mixture. After it's strained, you've got to make sure that it's not hot and it's strained. Because if it's hot, the cheese will cook. The cheese has got to stay cold. Otherwise, yeah, you're going to lose. It's going to be melted cheese with
Stringy
spinach.
and yeah.
But that's also another reason why we strain it and we have to cool it down. That's clarified butter.
You're using clarified butter here, but we can use just general butter at home.
So, I mean, clarified is more just obviously normal butter. You're putting it in the microwave and just skimming the top. Usually 1 to 2 sheets. I mean, the more sheets you do, the more pastry you're going to get, the more crispy. So once we put it into a clay pot, he just pats it down, firms it in, and then just folding it in on the edges. So it looks very easy when you're doing it in a clay pot. I mean, if you were to do it in a deep dish, the same kind of thing. You just kind of obviously more layers in. But this is a very nice way of doing it too.
Yeah,
I mean,
because
if
you
people
get the
do have
ruffles.
people do have the pots at home, it kind of makes it look more authentic.
You get that nice crunch on top.
Yeah.
Okay, Maggie, thank you so much for showing us how to make this absolutely delicious Spanakopita. It smells divine, and I can't wait to dig in. So,
Galliorexi. Oh, hear that sound of that? Yes. So that's what you want to hear when you cut one, especially when it's out of the oven.
So nice.